While addressing the media, the Minister of State for Agriculture, Honorable Chakulaga Fred Wino, reaffirmed the ministry's commitment to building a comprehensive, inclusive and sustainable sector. He emphasized the goal of transforming Uganda's agriculture from subsistence to commercial production, highlighting vanilla as a key driver. Uganda exported over 600 metric tons of vanilla in 2024, earning $16.6 million and securing its position as the world's second largest vanilla producer for the second consecutive year, according to the Bank of Uganda statistics.
The focus of the sector is to transform Uganda's agriculture from subsistence to a commercialized system. And vanilla is emerging as a key driver.
The minister noted that while Madagascar holds 80% of the global vanilla market, Uganda has a comprehensive edge, with 2 annual harvests ensuring a stable and reliable supply. He added that Uganda's vanilla is renowned for its high quality, with vanillin content averaging over 4%. This has driven Uganda's market share from 3% to 12% in the US and from 1% to 10% in the European market over the past 5 years.
Uganda's unique advantage of 2 annual harvests enables a more stable and reliable supply, giving the country a competitive edge.
He acknowledged the rise in vanilla seed prices to between 8,000 and 10,000 shillings per kilogram, attributing it to the global commodity trends. He noted that this has pushed some farmers to shift to other cash crops like cocoa and coffee. However, he emphasized that the vanilla sector remains resilient, with record exports reflecting renewed confidence.
Global price trends, largely driven by overproduction cycles and climate-induced supply shocks in Madagascar, continue to influence farmer decisions. Prices of fresh vanilla beans have risen significantly in the past year.
The minister revealed that vanilla is currently cultivated in 38 districts across Uganda, including Mbale, Kayunga, Mukono, Iganga, Jinja and Stronko. He noted that the crop thrives in diverse conditions, except in Karamoja, where high temperatures make cultivation difficult.
Vanilla can thrive well in almost all parts of the country, with an exception of Karamoja region, which has extreme hot weather conditions.
Minister Chakulaga further warned vanilla farmers and traders against selling to unlicensed buyers and urged them to register with the ministry.
I implore all traders to fully register and get licenses from their districts of operation.
The minister announced that vanilla harvest period for season 8-2025 will run from June 18th to September 18th. He stated that the ministry will closely monitor the process and issued a strong warning against premature harvesting, urging farmers to comply with the set dates or face penalties.
I now officially declare the vanilla harvest period for season A 2025 to commence on the 18th of this month and end on the 18th of September this year. Farmers must selectively harvest only fully mature vanilla beans to ensure quality and avoid penalties.
Compiled by Bob Muhuma for Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.